It's recording. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. My little girl with the hiccups. She gets hiccups every day. It's about 5:45 on Tuesday. It's a little early for hiccup time. She's gonna do it anyway.
Oh! Oops!
Sorry about that.
Oh!
I'm so sorry, baby.
Look at
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Oh.
Are you gonna fall asleep? Is it sleep time already? Is it sleep time already?
She looks like he's gonna fall asleep.
Is it sleep time already? Oh, you got Daddy's thumb. You're holding on Daddy's thumb. Is it sleep time? Is it sleep time? You're really squeezing. Yes, you are. Look at that. Look at that grip. Look at that grip. Okay. Now you're propped up. Now you're propped up. Yeah, I know. I know.
So you get you to smile. Smile. Smile.
Smile. It's my favorite. When you smile. Okay, you smiling before. You were sleeping, practicing your smiling. It was cute. It was cute. You push him with his little legs. You're.
Oh,
Ooh.
there you go.
What do we call that? We call that a wet diaper or just a fart?
I think that was just a fart.
Is that a wet diaper or just a fart? Just a poof. Little baby poof. Grab my thumb. Hold on tight to my thumb. What's Mommy doing? What is Mommy doing? What is Mommy doing? Ah, boo 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 boo.
Let's see those dimples.
There they are. There they are.
It's gonna be it. Where are those dimples? Where are those dimples?